I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you play me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
God, I watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life as Tsogomakobane. If you're seeing this beautiful, gorgeous face for the first time, welcome my love. I hope you're here to stay. And if you're a returning subscriber, the regular, thank you so much for tuning back in. Good morning guys. Today is a beautiful morning. It's beautiful because your girl decided to pick up this phone and vlog, and that's on period. Firstly guys, I'd like to apologize for not being a consistent hun, as I promised you guys I'd be one, but I hope next year I'll do better. And then secondly, thank you to everyone that's been subscribing. We are indeed growing guys, like oh my gosh. I mean, this channel wouldn't exist without you guys, right? So thank you to everyone. I love and appreciate you guys so much. And then the third thing is tomorrow me and my man are going on a staycation. I don't know what you guys want to call it, but something cation. And we are going to the Blyde in Pretoria. So I thought I should just pick up this phone and plus we ending December on a good note. Vlog, a get to know me tag. So yeah guys, I don't want this intro to be lengthy. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and press that notification bell so that you guys can get notified every time I post. Let's get straight into the video. Let's go, baby.
Can't come to the phone, and I know it makes no sense.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. We arrived safely, guys. I'm sorry for only updating you guys now. That's because like when we got here, like I was super tired and like vlog because when we got here the initial plan was to leave the house again and then go to the mall, which we did, just to get like a few things. So now we're back at home. We're just about to chill, watch something on Netflix, and then call it a night. So I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, because I just ordered food. So we're just gonna wait for our food and then eat and then sleep and then wake up tomorrow morning, do something exciting. So yeah, guys. Good morning. It is raining, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome, babies. It is the next day. It is a beautiful morning but very gloomy. It's a breakfast for my man and I, so we're about to eat. I just thought I should just update you guys on today. We actually have 2 activities to do. One is horse riding, the second one is quad biking. But judging from the weather, I don't know. I just hope by 2 or 1 at least, weather really like sunny. So yeah, guys, that's about it. We wanted to check out the lagoon, but we can't go Hanano because it's obviously raining. So we'll probably just check it out tomorrow or later on. So I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. Yeah, man, let's go eat because wow, I'm so hungry.
Touchdown, touchdown, ayy. I be in the box like it's bento. Hit my heart beating, what's the tempo? Ain't the game running through your tempo. Bust down, ayy. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine.
Guys, we just leaving the apartment right now, but it's still drizzling. Let's just go for now. My hair.
About to do a bit, what you in for? Tell them dudes fall back like it's limbo.
Otherwise, Bula in has to stop because
Why you keep on asking about my friend Bo? Mess around and put up in the friend zone. With you is like being in the end zone. Touchdown,
horse riding adventure.
I be in the box like it's been
Guys, that's about it.
Hit my heart beating, what's the
Hey, nanti warung 3 tiket saya choose my hair. I'm worried about parts. But I think I don't have a problem with the ring. I don't have a problem with the ring because it's better than the sun. My child is the sun. Where's my nigga? My child is the sun. I'm not telling right now, so yeah.
We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine. a bit with you info. Tell them dudes fall back like it's limbo. Don't complicate things, keep it simple. Hold it down. Love you like my family, we can't fold. Love it when you smile, show them dimples. Love it when you be my little nympho. Bust it down, ayy. I know what's on your mind. We do this all the time. We fight and then we're fine. You know I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine, oh mine, I'm yours, you're mine. Oh mine. This is the remix.
Music up, all they go. When the dance floor wanting some more. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? It goes by one, even two by two. Everybody in the floor, let me show you how we do. Let's go. Dip it low, then you bring it up slow. Wind it up one time, when it back once more. Come run, everybody move, run. Let me see you move, rock it to the groove. Touching it to the movie comes the sun. Everybody in the club, and me a run. If you ready to move, say it, yeah. One time for your mind, say it, yeah. Well, I'm ready for you, let me show you. You want to groove, I'ma show you how to move. Come on. I'ma show you how to move. Come on.
Sadly guys, I can't vlog while on the bike because it's so hectic, like yeah. But it was so fun. We're still gonna go down there, so I don't know, Nina, am I gonna be able to do that? It was so fun. I had so much fun. Thank you so much, my baby. We only left to collect our food because Nerem's a combo, yeah, quad biking and horse riding with Blyde for 2. So now we're collecting our food and then we're heading home. guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the next day. Me and my man are about to take a shower right now and go check out the lagoon, because I mean, while we're here, if we're not gonna go check out on the lagoon, and today like the weather is a bit better, but because now it means for at least like I'm not gonna get burnt, you know. So yeah guys, let's just do that. Sadly Hakina space, you guys. I tried to do a sit down get to know me tag here, but sadly I don't have space, and yeah, I'm tired of recording and stopping and recording and stopping. It gets draining. So hey guys, ke tla etsa plane kopa lesang fellang pelo. So yeah guys, let's go to the lagoon. Guys, I am done. I am wearing something. I'm wearing my swimwear. And it has started drizzling again. I just want to fix my hair. At this point, I don't care. I just want to take pictures and see the lagoon, and that's on period. So let's go and come back. Guys, anyway, we are done. We are about to leave the house. Enjoy, man. That's about it. Hey guys, so me and my man are about to leave the house. We're going out for dinner.
How again?
We are back at home. I'm about to remove my makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow we're checking out, so I don't know if I'll be having content. Otherwise we'll just be having a long way back home. So yeah guys, if I don't speak to you guys tomorrow, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do subscribe, comment and share.